Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to Four Wheels Empire. Today, we're diving into a key part of your engine's performance: spark plugs. These small but mighty components play a massive role in keeping your engine running smoothly. But when they go bad, well, your car will let you know loud and clear. Let's talk about the symptoms of bad spark plugs and how you can fix them. Spark plugs might be small, but they're a key component of your engine. They create the spark that ignites the fuel-air mixture, giving your car the power it needs to run. But when they go bad, you'll notice some telltale symptoms. Let's break them down. First, check engine light on your dashboard. If you have a OBD scanner, you will see this codes. Engine has a rough idle. If your spark plugs are failing, your engine will sound rough and jittery when running at idle. This can cause vibrations to resonate through the vehicle, which could cause further costly damage. Trouble starting, car won't start and you're late for work. Flat battery, low fuel, one often overlooked, causes spark plug failure. Without that crucial spark for ignition, you'll be stuck where you are. Engine misfiring. When your engine misfires, it momentarily cuts out and feels jerky because the cylinders are not firing correctly. This can lead to an uncomfortable ride and higher emissions. Engine surging. Again, this can lead to an uncomfortable and potentially dangerous ride. The engine is working inefficiently, sucking in more air than is usually needed in the combustion process, causing continual stop-start motions. High fuel consumption. Are you filling up more than you used to? Failing spark plugs can really take a bite out of your fuel efficiency. A simple change of spark plugs could be the solution. Lack of acceleration. If your vehicle feels unresponsive and the accelerator has lost its sensitivity, you might consider a service with a change of spark plugs to get things up to speed again. The spark plugs are located at the engine end of the wires, under the plug covers that attach them. First, carefully remove the spark plug. Use the spark plug gapper to check the spacing of this spark plug. Normally, the spacing should be between 0.024 to 0.071 inches. As you can see, the spacing of the spark plug is a bit low. Use the spark plug gapper to increase the spacing back to the normal range. But if you see there is obvious damage on the spark plug, just simply replace it with a new one. The lifespan of spark plugs varies with some care, so 30,000 to 100,000 miles. And that's it. Diagnosing and replacing bad spark plugs can save you time, money, and headaches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.